guys, welcome back to the video.
Let's go ahead and open this. So.
İkiniz açtınız.
Let's see what we have. Open it. Okay.
Ay hoverboardumuz geldi. Bu benim mi? Tekeri de yanıyormuş. Hazırlamak için.
Alright. Before we open it, let's look at the
Açalım.
box. Specification. It's up to 10 miles in maximum speed up to 12 miles per hour. 6.5 inches, 400 watt dual hub, and 24 volts. Its charge time is up to 3 hours and 220 pounds, up to 15 degrees. Dynamic speaker. And let's look at the features. Anti-slip grip pads, extra wide foot pads, cosmic light up wheels, extreme terrain tires, active balance technology. I think Jetson has all the products like the active balance technology. And Bluetooth speaker, 3 speed modes, track your rides. Okay, you can track your rides on the map. Basically, you can see where your kid is going. You don't need to call the police. Customize LED lights, and you can share your activity. There is an application, Jetson Rave. You can use that. It is recommended for 12 plus. Again. Let's open it. First of all, what is this? This is the charger. It's a charger port. And then, we have the user manual. You can open it. I already know how to use it. Let me go ahead and take it out. Oh, this one is wider. Has more quality. I like the quality. You see the LED lights. 1 second. Okay. Turn on and off button, and then charger station plug. And we have the speaker.
What did you?
It's supposed to be balanced.
Sensin diyecek.
Alright, let's see. How's that working? 1 second. Oh, it goes forever, the lights. 1 second. Okay, active balance technology. It's just balancing by itself.
Beep beep beep diyor. Aynısı ona değil mi?
Okay, go ahead and write. As you see, this is a little bit wider than the other one. Oh, it goes too fast. The front, it has white light. On the back, it has red light, like in the cars. First of all, get your phone and then find Rave and connect it. And then go ahead and install Jetson app. Let me go ahead and connect it. Bluetooth and Rave. And let me put 6 zeros. Right now the system is on. You can change the lights. Let me see. Oh. When you look at Haley X, you cannot change the solid colors. I mean different colors. You have only 3 options for that, but this one has everything you have. You can change anything you want. Then random. And you can see top speed, total distance also. And truck ride. You can see where your kid is going also. First of all, you need to press start.
Niye Elsa diyorsun? Kime Elsa diyorsun baba?
It shows everything. Okay, let me go ahead and show you the no copyright song. It's also syncing with the music, the lights.